Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're making some big changes in our backyard garden. We've already got lots of wood chips down, but it's time to level up. In today's project, we are upgrading the wood chip covered backyard garden with defined pathways that are practical, durable, and downright beautiful. First, we planned out and marked out where we wanted the pathways to go using stakes and string. Once our lines were set, we cleared out the wood chips in the pathway area and dug down a few inches just to make sure that we had a nice solid pathway for the timbers and the gravel. We'll be using railroad ties for strong rustic borders. And Keith has been going to pick up some pea gravel as needed. When we run out, he goes back and gets another truck full. We had a pallet of concrete blocks delivered. These are 12 by 12s. With the layout set, we placed our railroad ties to frame the pathway. These heavy pieces create structure and keep everything neatly contained. Just a quick note, make sure the railroad ties are level. Uneven borders will make the whole pathway look off. Then we brought in the gravel. We spread it out evenly and tapped it down. This forms the base that supports the pavers and keeps water draining properly. Time to lay the pavers. Each 12-inch stone goes right on top of the gravel, spaced out just enough for a natural stride. We also walked the path to make sure the stepping distance felt natural for us. Keith decided to change it up in the center here and do a diagonal, which I absolutely love. I think it came out fantastic. And it also added another layer of dimension and style to the garden. And just to remind you guys, you could see what it looked like before. And this is what it looks like after. There you have it, a beautiful functional garden pathway that blends right into the landscape. It's tough, low maintenance, and makes the garden access so much easier. This is temporary on the corner. We will change this eventually, but we just wanted to stop and do kind of like a part one of the pathway. And the same over here. We just put a board because we're not quite sure what we're going to do going back towards the rest of the house, so we put a temporary board right there. If you enjoyed this project and have questions about the materials, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more backyard DIY projects that Keith and I are working on. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next video.